Hey everyone, what's going on? Josh here, or TrueLittleGamer, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the PS5. Now, if you didn't happen to tune into the PS5 live stream, that is okay, because this video should give you some information about the PS5. Now, let's get started. Roll the intro. So, before we get started, let's do a little rewind on the whole PS5 history. On January 6th of 2020 or 2020, Sony revealed the official logo for the PS5, and to be honest, many people took this opportunity to make jokes and memes regarding the logo.
We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! Always team up! We did it!
Nevertheless, this is exciting news because 3 months after the unveiling of the logo, Sony revealed on April 7th the DualSense controller for the PS5. There was a lot of talk in terms of design and hardware, and many people were a little surprised about the whole white and black design on the controller. Now, in terms of hardware, on the DualSense controller, the most distinctive change that Sony wrote about on their blog was the addition of haptic feedback in its triggers. In addition to the triggers, supposedly it'll translate a greater variety of finger sensation, like a releasing bow or the trog of truck tires through mud, whatever that means. I'm just reading off what it said on the blog. Sony also added a built-in microphone, which I think is a very cool thing, because that way people don't have to buy separate headsets for the PS5. Things were looking good for the PS5, but with the pandemic and many things going around the world, people needed some good news, so the PlayStation channel and on Twitch, they held a live stream on June 11th at 1 p.m. Pacific time. This live stream showcased a bunch of games coming to the PS5, like Spider-Man Miles Morales, Horizon Forbidden West, Deathloop, which is a game that I'm actually pretty excited to take a look at, and Sackboy Big Adventure, which is a spin-off of the Little Big Planet franchise. And there was also a bunch more PS5 games, so I'm really looking forward to those. Near the end of the live stream, we got our very first look at the PS5. Now, I may get a copyright claim on this video if I show the footage, but honestly, if you guys haven't seen the trailer for the PS5, here it is. Roll the footage.
テンション
In terms of aesthetics, it matches very well with the DualSense controller, and in my opinion, I think it looks really awesome. And speaking of design, the PS5's design is a more curved design, which is the complete opposite of the PS4 with its squarish design. Now the specs for the PS5 are going to be shown on screen right now for you tech nerds, and something I noticed, which I can't tell if it's correct or not, so don't quote me, but it's the fact that when we look at the front of the PS5, it looks like there's a USB Type-C, which is very cool. I think it's cool because, you know, the PS4 doesn't have one, and yeah. And obviously right next to it we have a USB slot for charging your controller or other purposes. And actually on the trailer, there's other accessories that it shows, like the headset, a remote, an HD camera, a charging mount for 2 controllers, which is actually really cool. I like that. It's actually a nice touch to it, and it's also, you know, kind of white and black, which just adds to the whole aesthetic of it, and it really looks nice. I really think it's awesome. Now there are actually 2 different models for the PS5. We have the PS5 with the optical drive, or the disc drive, whatever you want to call it, and then we have a digital version of the PS5. Now if I'm not mistaken, Microsoft did something similar like this with their Xbox One S. They made the standard disc drive version, and then they also made a digital version as well. In the live stream, they didn't really touch on pricing, but many sources are saying that it'll be around the $500 or $600. Now, in my opinion, or my theory is that the disc drive version is going to be like $600, and the digital version is going to be a little bit cheaper than the disc drive version. So that is my little review on the PS5. If you enjoyed, consider subscribing, like the video if you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if I missed anything, by all means, tell me in the comment section. And yeah. Also, this is my first time ever doing some sort of commentary type video. If you if you enjoyed it and want more of this, then again, smash that like button, and yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.